Put options. In our previous videos, we learned about options trading and call options. In this video, let us understand put option in detail. Theoretically, the put option gives the buyer of the option a right but not an obligation to sell an asset on a future date at a predetermined price. This means if you have bought a put option and at the end of the expiry period, you gain to make a profit by selling the asset, you can choose to execute the contract. In case of a loss, you have the option not to execute the contract, but you will still be liable to pay the premium amount. Let us understand this with an example. Let's say you are at the start of November, you hold a bearish view on stock ABC Limited. At the start of the month, the stock is trading at Rs 110 and you expect the price to come down to Rs 95 by the end of the month. The put option premium of ABC Limited at the strike price of Rs 95 for expiry date of 25th November is currently Rs 3. It will be denoted on trading platforms as ABC Limited 25th November 21 PE95 at Rs 3. Let us suppose the price of ABC Limited decreases from Rs 110 to Rs 102. The option premium will move up as price inches towards the strike price of Rs 95. Suppose the premium goes up to Rs 7. You can book your profit and execute the option or wait for the premium to move up further. Against your expectation, if the stock price moves up to Rs 120, the option premium will drop, as the stock performing is bullish in nature. Put option selling. Similar to call option selling, if you think the value of the underlying asset would not move lower to a particular strike price, you can opt to sell a put option. In our example, the stock price in the current market is Rs 110. If you think the stock price will not move down to the strike price of Rs 95, you can sell the put option. As a seller of the option, you would receive the premium money and your position will be squared off on the day of expiry. To conclude, in general, with a bullish view on a particular stock or index, you can buy a call option or sell a put option. And with a bearish view, you can sell a call option or buy a put option. If you liked our video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. And for more such videos, visit our website www.edelweiss.in.